finger is about to become the most valuable piece of real estate on your body as the world of wearable tech shrinks down to the size of a wedding band. We're witnessing a massive surge in interest for these tiny titanium powerhouses. They promise to monitor your life without the bulk of a traditional smartwatch. One specific newcomer is causing a serious stir right now. It tackles the biggest frustration in the industry head on. It removes the dreaded monthly subscription fee entirely. This is the biggest selling point for many people. Most of us are completely exhausted by the constant stream of digital bills. We pay for every single service we use. Being told you have to pay a monthly fee just to see your own heart rate data feels like a slap in the face. This device breaks that cycle. It offers a one-time purchase that gives you full access to your metrics forever. It is a refreshing approach. It puts the user back in control of their own information. The physical design is genuinely impressive. It manages to pack sensors and a tiny vibration motor into a slim titanium shell. It feels almost weightless when you wear it day and night. Having a ring that can actually vibrate for alerts is a big step forward. It adds a layer of interaction that most silent rings simply cannot match. You get a little nudge on your finger when you have been sitting too long. It can also buzz when a notification comes through. This creates a much more intimate connection with your data. On the health side of things, the basics are handled with surprising grace. The sleep tracking is often cited as a standout feature. It captures your nightly recovery with high precision. It tracks those moments of restlessness and deep sleep cycles. This data feels consistent over time. The resting heart rate monitoring also provides a solid foundation for understanding your daily stress. However, we need to address the reality behind the advanced health claims. The marketing materials talk a lot about vascular health. They also mention blood pressure trend estimation. This is where you need to keep a level head. This ring is not a medical device. It is not a substitute for a visit to a clinic. It uses light sensors to measure blood flow and runs that data through complex algorithms. It makes an educated guess about your trends. It is a fascinating look at where your body might be headed. But it is not a clinical measurement. You should view these numbers as a general compass rather than a medical fact. There are also some practical realities to consider regarding the battery life. Official numbers suggest you can go nearly 2 weeks without a charge. However, your mileage will vary. It really depends on your settings. If you have the vibration motor working overtime, you will find yourself back at the charging cradle much sooner. The software side has some growing pains. You might encounter some delays when trying to sync your data to your phone. Sometimes the ring loses its rhythm during an intense workout session. These are not fatal flaws. They are just reminders that we are still in the early stages of this technology. If you want a sleek and smart way to stay mindful of your wellness, this is a compelling option. It lets you skip the monthly bill. It is a legitimate piece of hardware that offers a great balance of style and substance. Just make sure you are buying it for the convenience. Do not expect it to perform medical miracles on your finger.